Okay, this is a really short video, but it's a large example. So this is in your booklet. It's just after the indicators bit with all of these lovely tubes here. So it's at the bottom of page 11. So this is an example calculation. It's quite a big example calculation. I would like you to pause, or if you haven't already, and try and go through this one on your own, see if you can work it out. We're going to be using our theory on dilution and our theory on pH to answer this one. So pause now. And I'm hoping that you did pause. All right, I'm going to go through the answer to this question. Now, I've broken it apart into 3 different stages, and I've typed it already because otherwise it would take up quite a bit of space, and I'm not that good at drawing fast. So what we've got is we've got 100 ml of a solution with a pH of 2. Is diluted to 1,000 mils, and we want to know what the pH is of the resulting solution. So straight away, this has got the word dilution in it. So therefore, I'm thinking C1V1 equals C2V2. Yeah, but it's also been giving me pH. So I might also need my pH equals negative log concentration of H plus. Now, I might also need that equation there. So I'm just putting them there to help me, but let's have a look. Step number 1, we're going to have to figure out from that pH of 2, what is the concentration of the hydrogen ions? So we go, okay, the concentration equals 10 to the minus pH. So therefore, our concentration of hydrogen ions in the original solution is 10 to the minus 2. All right, so that's our concentration of solution 1. Yeah, so this is going to be C1. Next step, we're going to plug in our C1V1, and that's meant to be V2 there. Yeah, and plug in to find our concentration of the second solution. So the concentration I've pulled directly from here. The volume of the original solution was 100 mils, but we're putting it in litres. The volume of the final solution is 1 litre, and we're going to find out what the concentration is. Plug them all in. Bob's your uncle. Here's my concentration in the second solution. So this is C2. Now, C2 isn't good enough. What we need to do is we now need to convert that concentration back into a pH. So let's go back again, and we go pH equals the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions, which we've got from here. Plug them in, put it in there, and our pH is 3. So even though I've diluted it to the factor of 10, the pH of the resulting solution is going to be only 1 higher, and that's because of that logarithmic scale. And so that is it for examples. There are plenty of textbook questions for you to be getting on with, and other than that, I will see you in class.